MongoDB stores any document you send, but what actually stops malformed data from corrupting your collection? You add schema validation with either db.createCollection at collection creation time or the collMod command to patch an existing collection. Both accept a validator option. For a new collection, pass the name and an options object containing validator. For an existing one, call db.run command with collMod and the same validator key. Inside validator, use $jsonSchema. Set bsonType to object for the document, then list all mandatory fields in a required array. In properties, describe each field with its own bsonType: string, int, date, and so on, plus optional constraints like minimum or maximum for numbers. MongoDB rejects any document that violates this schema on insert or update. 2 options tune enforcement. Set validation level to strict to check every write, or moderate to only validate new documents and leave pre-existing invalid ones alone. Set validation action to error to reject violations outright, or warn to allow them through and log the issue instead. Note that validation only fires on inserts and updates, never on deletes. Also, $jsonSchema doesn't cover all bsonTypes natively, and complex validators add minor write overhead. Add schema validation with createCollection or collMod using a $schema validator. Define your bsonType and required fields, and tune validation level and validationAction to match your app. Follow for more MongoDB tips. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.